ऑल राइट गाइज, वेलकम बैक टू योर चैनल। जय हिंद आप सभी को। आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे कि कैसे आप फ्री ट्रेनिंग ले सकते हैं माइक्रोसॉफ्ट से। आप चाहे भले से वो एज्योर क्लाउड का लेना चाहें, एज्योर 900 500 या कोई सा भी एज्योर का सर्टिफिकेशन आप करना चाहें, कैसे ट्रेनिंग ले सकते हैं। सिक्योरिटी से रिलेटेड, साइबर सिक्योरिटी से रिलेटेड आप कौन कौन सी ट्रेनिंग माइक्रोसॉफ्ट से ले सकते हैं, और सबसे लास्ट में कि इन सब ट्रेनिंग्स के लिए आप कैसे रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं, राइट। सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है कि आपको कहाँ जाना है। मैंने लिंक ऑलरेडी डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिया है। आपको जाना है माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्चुअल ट्रेनिंग डेज पे। इस लिंक पे जाना है, ठीक है। ये नाम याद कर लीजिए आप। यहाँ पे जाना है, जो सबसे पहली लिंक ओपन होती है माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्चुअल ट्रेनिंग डेज, इसको आप ओपन कर लीजिए। नाउ it's been loading. Okay, now here is the option. If you can see, there is Azure Business Application, Microsoft 365 even, and the security. Now, what you can do. So let's see. Here is the option of Azure. These are some explore upcoming Azure sessions. For the business application is there. Microsoft 365 is here, and the security one is here. Now, I'm just opening two things, Azure and the security one, because we are from the cyber security. So we will target on the Azure certifications and security certifications and training as well. Now under the Microsoft Azure, if you can see, there are a lot of things we have, correct. There is a lot of things, but what actually you have to do, what the course you need. So the first thing is that, if you can see here, there is Azure fundamental which is going on, right. So if you want to register, you have to just click on it. And here is the Microsoft security one. Give the email address. If you do have some email address which is you already logged in the virtual training days, then you can just give your address here. Whereas what I can do that, click to register for this virtual event. See here. So this event is full. Now we can just go for the another one. Here is the another one. You can go through this training. This event is also full. So guys, this event, you can see these are already full. Whereas if you are interested in someone else, let's say the data fundamentals, let's see if it is available for you. So this event is also full. Do we have anything Linux for Linux? Let's see. Okay. So it is available. The Microsoft Azure Virtual Training is for Linux OSS database migration. It is available. So if you are interested in that Linux OSS, you can go through it. Let's talk about the security one. That what actually you can see. See here, security compliance and identity fundamental. This is actually the SC900. What I'm looking for that. So let's open it. Event registration. So it is available. So what you have to do, you have to give your full name, last name, email address, mobile number, and just register it. That's it. Once you will register, you will get the email directly on your Gmail account, whatever the email is you are going to give. Right. अभी क्या करना है, that you have to see here, defend against threats and secure cloud environment. So you can go through this. This one is very important one. If you can see, learn how to perform investigation remediation in Microsoft Defender for endpoints. This is a one of the very best endpoint EDR, I can say. Okay, Azure Defender, Azure Sentinel. These are the some basics knowledge you can gain, uh, you know, freely without taking any course. So just register on these things. Let me open both of them. I believe both of them should be available. Yes, it is available. So you can go through that. You can register it, whatever you want. I already have registered these kind of things. So in future, let's say if you want to do Azure 900, SC900, these kind of certifications, right? So you can come on that virtual training days, and you can directly click on here, and on the Azure portal you can see here. After that, you have to see that whether it is that course, the training is available or not. If it is available, you can directly click on that. You once you will register, you will have to join that training. So once you will join that training, you will get a email from them ki they will give some voucher for that training, right? So through that voucher you can claim the freely certification of that particular course, for the example as your fundamentals. I believe this video will be very helpful for you. If there is any questions, you are most welcome to directly give your comments on comment section. Might be if it is not this is suitable for you, you can directly come to the Telegram channel where there is more than 150 plus members, so you can ask your questions. Definitely any of them is going to give you answer. Bye bye, take care. We'll meet in next video.